Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Friday, December the 28th, 2018. Well, we've got one more trading day left in the year, so we're going to take a look to see how we finished out Friday and how we finished out the week. But first, we have a nice special going on for you here at Trade Ideas. It is our new Holly Plus is the code. It will save you 20% for your first month or your first year or an upgrade of Trade Ideas. So if you're not already using the software, consider it. Here's the link on how to get into that special pricing. And here's your code here. It is case sensitive, so we do encourage you to try it out. I'll put that in the YouTube comments down below at the end of the video here. Now let's take a look and see how these markets closed out. First, we're going to bring up our chart here, and you know what? Let me do it this way, and we're going to look at on the Thinkorswim platform, and you can see here the 4 days the market was open, and you can see today that the big topping tail we have there, and you can see what happened here. We went up, we came down to the lows of the day. Then we had a nice gain throughout much of the day. Then right at the end we had people taking profit going into the weekend. So that is how the intraday went. You can see how the 4 days of the week went, and you can see here on the Russell 2000 small caps, we closed with a gain for the week. But the only thing to take note of is we bounced off of that 200 moving average on the weeklies and came back down. So, kind of good news, bad news as always. Let's wait to see how next week finishes out. Then we'll take a look at the Qs next. And the Qs, the daily candles much the same, but we did pull back a little bit more, and so we closed at a slight loss for Friday over Thursday. And you can see here pretty much the same thing where we came down. We made some nice gains for the day, and then the little sell-off at the end there to close near lows, not at lows, but had a nice doji candle there. So that's how the Qs looked. Now we'll move on to the diamonds. And for the 4 days there, you can see here once again we closed below Thursday's close. You can see the volatility throughout the day here, the little bit of a sell-off at the end there, people taking their profits before they went into the weekend. When we take a look at the diamonds here, you can see we did close up, but we are still above the 200 moving average by quite a bit there. So, we don't have quite the same scenario on the diamonds. Now we'll go ahead and jump into the spiders and see how they're looking. And you can see here the same thing. We had the gain through the week, the pull back through the day, closed just below where yesterday closed. You can see, a little more volatility here. We maybe went a little higher, pulled back a little bit more. The good news here is it looks like we bounced off the 200 and then moved up from there after we hit it. So, as always, I suppose if you know what the market's going to do, you're smarter than most of us. So, good luck with that. But that's what the markets look like for the day and the week. Let's go ahead and take a fast look at Holly, see how she did today. And Holly's had a little bit of a rough week, so but let's take a look here. Holly Grill had 8 trades, lost 57 cents, and on the risk-on mode, lost 33 cents. And let's see here if we had any significant trades. Well, we had a 9-cent gain on TRI, and 19 cents was the risk-on profit. Best risk on was MCS, which was a long trade, and you can see there 26 cents. So no big deal there. Holly 2.0 had 11 trades, lost 51 cents. Risk on, she lost 247. And let's see here, her best trade was a short GSHD. She hit her target. But look here, once she hit that target, it turned around on her. And if you would have held that till the end of the day, you would have lost 12 cents. and her best risk on was a loss of 4 cents. So she did not do too good on the risk on category. And Holly Neo had 3 trades, a loss of 22 cents, risk on a loss of 26 cents. Her best profit on the risk off was 1 penny on ROX, and she had a 6-cent gain on that, so not hardly anything to look at there. Let's go ahead and bring our Excel spreadsheet into work here. We had 22 trades today. If we lost $1.30, risk on loss of 306. So you can see there a very, very difficult day for her. And even on the week, 79 trades, which is low for Holly. Had a $1.89 loss in the risk off. And the risk on, she only made $1.74. So this is probably the roughest week I can ever remember with Holly. So we'll see if she does any better going into next week and the new year. And just as a quick reminder, you can always follow me on my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, StockTwits. If you got anything out of this video, we'd sure appreciate the thumbs up. Maybe drop a comment in, maybe share it with some friends and like-minded people. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd sure appreciate that. And that way you'll never miss one. And just a final reminder to take advantage of this save 20% on the software. You've got to go to this link right here, and this is good till midnight, January the 2nd. Okay, so you've got till then to save your 20%. So hope to see you as a member real soon. Hey, thank you. Happy New Year. God bless. I may or may not do a quick video on Monday, so it might be Wednesday before you get another video. So Happy New Year and God bless.